Hey guys, Mike Martinez here again. You've seen the guys working, you've seen the stuff being done, and we're really happy with the results, and we're ready to show you. So we've just finished the install of the coping, the blue mosaic tile around the pool, and the plaster. And now we're putting our Martinez Pools and Spas finishing touches on the job. So a super cheap option that's available to have around your pool deck is this spray deck texture. So what we can do is lay cement all the way around. We put the cool deck over the top, and it creates a nice, comfortable walking surface. And you can put colors to contrast the marble, which goes really well with the pool. We're really proud of all our guys and all the hard work they put in on this job, and we're really excited to show you the final product. Stay tuned and thank you for all the support.